Hello friends, today is a video for 11th standard. Welcome to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. So today we are going to have a look at one of the problems from M1 11th standard conic section, that is parabola. Okay, some part of parabola formula is there in the 12th standard also. तो जितना important है उतना मैंने प्रॉब्लम लिया है, वो प्रॉब्लम लिया है from miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so straight away go to the problem. Find the coordinates of a point of the parabola y squared is equal to 8x having focal distance 10. Also find the parameter t. Okay, so we'll just see the basic things. There are four types of parabolas. Y squared equal to 8x, that is y squared is equal to 4ax is the standard parabola, that is type 1. तो ज्यादा करके उस पर ही प्रॉब्लम्स पूछते हैं in 11th standard and in the 12th also these basic things are there. Okay, so I have shown in the diagram type 1 parabola. Okay, type 2 is like this, type 3 is like this and type 4 is like this. चार टाइप के पैराबोला है, उसमें टाइप 1 इंपॉर्टेंट है, हैविंग स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन y squared is equal to 4ax. Now let us suppose that p xy is any point on the curve. SA0 is called as the focus. It is like the center of the circle. Okay. Formula for focus, coordinates of focus are given as a comma 0. Distance of the point from the focus is called as the focal distance. I am repeating, distance of any point either from here or from here from the focus is called as the focal distance, denoted by distance SP. Okay, so here the focal distance is given to us and we are asked to find out coordinates of the point P. That is the question. Distance SP, focal distance 10 is given. Parameter we'll see later on. Okay, how to find the parameter. Okay, so how do we begin such parabola problems? Always write the given equation y squared is equal to 8x. Now it is type 1, so we compare with type 1 formula, y squared is equal to 4ax. Now what? Always get the value of a. 4a equal to 8. Compare करो. 4a equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 upon 4, that is 2. Always get the value of a first. A equal to 2. Clear? Now, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, let p xy be the point whose focal distance is 10. I have shown it on the curve. Curve पे दिखाया है point, right? So focal distance equal to distance SP equal to 10 given. Right? Now formula for focal distance is x plus a. Remember the formula. X plus a equal to 10, x plus 2 equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 minus 2, that is x equal to 8. Now x equal to 8 means what? We have got one point on the one coordinate of the point. You have to find out y now. How do you find out y? The same method that we have used for straight lines. When the point lies on the parabola, it satisfies this equation. So put x equal to 8. देखो यहाँ पे वापस. This point lies on this parabola. So x and y values satisfy these x and y values. As simple as that. So x equal to 8. यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा मैं. To find y, put x equal to 8 in the equation of the parabola. Let us go ahead. Therefore y squared equal to 4 into a is 2, x is 8. 4 into 2 into 8. Y squared equal to 64. y is equal to root of 64, that is plus minus 8. Square root is always plus minus. Now, how do you write plus or minus? What do you take? Simple thing. First select plus 8. So we get two answers. Case 1, point P corresponds to x is 8, y is also 8. Very simple stuff. Case 2, point P equal to x equal to 8 is constant, y is equal to, now take the minus sign. So there are two answers, either P is equal to 8 comma 8 or P is equal to 8 comma minus 8. That is the answer. Followed? So either it will be here or somewhere over here. 2 points will give. Now how to find the parameter? Now parameter is usually asked for 1 point. Let us consider, supposing P is 8 and 8. What is the parameter at that point? Okay, so let's check. I will write over here so that space will be sufficient. In certain questions, parameter is asked, so I am doing just that. Parametric equations. You already know the parametric equations. X is equal to 80 squared, y is equal to 280. These are the parametric equations where t is called as the parameter. Similar to standard circle, x is equal to r cos theta, same way. Okay. Now substitute on both sides. We will select one common answer. X is 8. A is also 8, I think. A kitna hai? A is 2. T squared. T is the parameter which we have to find out. Y is also 8. So 8 upon 2 equal to T squared. 2 into 2 is 4. 8 upon 4 equal to T. So T squared equal to 4. Here we get T equal to 2. Now T squared equal to 4 means T is equal to plus minus 2. Square root of 4 देखो. T is equal to square root of 4, that is plus minus 2. So which answer do we select? We select that answer where the sign is common on both sides. LHS may be same आना चाहिए, RHS may be same आना चाहिए. So here I am getting plus 2. Here also I am getting plus 2. So in this case, answer is common answer. This parameter is for this particular point. हर एक पॉइंट के लिए पैरामीटर चेंज हो जाएगा. You can try for this now. 8 minus 8 के लिए क्या है? I think you will get t equal to minus 2. It should be common to both LHS and RHS. यहाँ पे plus minus 2 है, यहाँ पे plus 2 है. So I select plus 2 from here and plus 2 from here, जहाँ पे repeat हो रहा है, and write the answer. T is equal to 2. That is the parameter. These are called as the parametric equations. Now these parametric equations are there in the 12th standard for derivatives. Okay, derivatives में derivatives of parametric functions करके They have taken one example from parabola, where focal distance is not asked, but basic equations you should remember. Parametric equation, equation of standard parabola. Okay, that will be all. Learn the basics. In a day or two, I'll come out with a video for limits and straight lines. Both are important. Okay. Right. Bye for now. See you.